Boom. Yeah. Welcome to Dungeons. I was about to upload the video I made yesterday, which was talking about fixing or fitting a cable to my extractor fan, and I was putting an SD card on my PC using this really cheap Chinesium converter, and I got up to do something else and I round kicked it, and now it is no longer working. I think it's NFG, no effing good. I thought to myself, let's fix it quickly, and as I picked up my screwdriver I thought, well, let's do a video, so let's see where we get to. So I don't know what this looks like on the inside, but it's probably not too complicated, so I don't even know how to get into it. I'm hoping the screwdriver will do the job. Let's have a dig. I thought this was completely separate. There we go. Can you see that? It doesn't look like it's too well connected anymore. But it's not NFG, that's good. Pads are still there, and just needs resoldering down. Let's just fix it back on. Those who are following know that I'm not a professional. I'm just having a crack at it, and if it goes well, winner. If it doesn't go so well, well, I think this cost me all of £2 on eBay, if that. So, BT Dubs, if you know where I can buy electronics, like wholesale job lots that are not working, that I can mess about with, you know, learn from, do a bit of like electronic projects on them, let me know in the comments below, and I'll have a crack. You know, buy a couple of those things, see if I can fix them, see if I can sell them on, and make the hobby self-sustaining, because I like the idea of learning on the go, and I also like the idea of it not costing me an arm and a leg when I do it. So yeah, let's do that. Right, so let's see if I can zoom in a bit on what we're doing. Zoom in. Cool. Right, so first thing I want to do is solder these two anchor points, whatever you call them, just so it's not wobbling about, and then I'll just solder those 4 pins there, and if I don't make a complete arse of it, we'll be winners. So what am I going to do first? I'm not going to desolder anything. I've got a flux pen here, I'll put some flux on it, and I have solder somewhere. I knew where it was earlier. I heard when it comes to flux, more is more. But I don't think there's anything coming out of this bad boy, so less is more. There we go. Check that out. Alright. More is more. This is no clean flux. I've seen some fellas using paint on stuff that's quite thick and gooey, but it looks like it does the job, so maybe I'll look at using that. I'm not really a competent soldering individual, so I'm quite open for any suggestions you have on doing a better job. What temperature have I got this thing set to? Volume 11. As hot as it goes. There's a lot of flex in this board. I'm not too worried. As I say, it was only £2, so if it works, it works. If it doesn't, well, it's not the end of the world. But those 2 anchor points are on now. I don't think that's going anywhere. It feels a lot firmer than it did, and it's actually flowed through. You can see it on the other side. I'm going to put some heat on it on the other side as well, just to see if I can get it to flow even better. I have finer solder, but these aren't particularly fine joints, so it should be fine. Fine. So I spent the whole session yesterday was he recording me, what was I doing? Oh yes, fitting a power cable to my extractor fan. It took me ages, and I was quite proud of myself because I've used this new microphone and it's supposed to be all singing, all dancing. And this morning, or this evening, when I've come to edit the video, it turns out I've lost the recording, so you're going to have a shoddy recording again coming straight from the video camera. Sorry guys, but I'm trying. I am trying. Hopefully this one will be using the microphone recording rather than the camera. I do need to invest in a better camera. Okay, so I've soldered on both sides. It looks like we're okay. I haven't melted any plastic. Let's put it back together and see what it does. Cheap Chinesium. But it does the job, you know. I'm running out of USB ports on my PC. Not because I've used them all, but because I've massacred them by pushing things in without looking what I'm doing. Maybe that's a project for another time, is to pull the ports out and sort them out. I'm not going to glue this. I don't see much point. It's just a bit of plastic on the end. It's not going to change functionality. So, boom. It took enough effort to get it out anyway. So, that's done. Shall we try it out? Right, so, what's that? Oh, yeah, so you can tell it crashed because that man has kicked it. Let's plug the memory card back in. Plug that in to there. Plug it into the port. Boom! Functionality returned, I think. Yeah. And my video from yesterday is still there. That's good news. One time successful video. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe and press that bell. All I'm doing is trying to learn. I'm trying to entertain at the same time. I'm not the most, I don't know, polished of YouTubers, but give me a chance. And also, comment in the box below if you have work on points, if you have improvements, any ideas. I tried my camera in a different position in this video today so I could hopefully see what I was doing a bit, or you could see what I was doing a bit better than I did yesterday. All these little iterative improvements might lead me to being a much better vlogger. So, thanks for your time, thanks for watching, and TTFN.